In this video, we will tell you the 10 tips that will make you rich in just 5 years. Many say that accumulating money takes more than 10 years, but we will tell you all the things that will make you rich in just 5 years. Your task is to follow them all. Watch this video till the end, as this video is very informative. Now let's start. 1. Create a strategic plan. It's essential to have a roadmap when driving from New York to Los Angeles. Why would anyone attempt to increase their savings from $0 to $1 million without a well-thought-out strategy? Regrettably, relying on optimism alone is not a reliable strategy for achieving a $1 million goal. Begin your journey towards financial success by establishing a clear timeline. After creating a timetable, it's important to determine the amount you'll need to save annually, monthly, or even weekly. By consistently investing $500 per week with an 8% return, you can accumulate a substantial sum of $1.03 million over a period of 35 years. 2. Maximize the potential of your money. What steps can a 30-year-old take to accumulate $1 million by the time they turn 65, while saving $500 every month? By simply setting aside your money, you'll see it grow to a staggering $210,000 in just 35 years. But that's only the beginning, as the true magic lies in the power of compounding interest. Throughout history, the Standard & Poor's 500 index has demonstrated remarkable consistency, consistently delivering annual returns ranging from 8% to 15% over a rolling 30-year period since 1926. In the past, opting for a low-cost S&P 500 index fund would have yielded an average return of 8%, allowing your savings to grow to $1 million within a span of 35 years. If you want to know more amazing financial tips and secrets, then do press the like button and also the subscribe button. 3. It is important to establish a budget. For individuals with an annual income of $60,000, a monthly expense of $500 accounts for just 10% of their earnings. However, without a budget in place, it can be challenging to achieve the desired financial flexibility on a monthly basis. Consider the amount of money you allocate to various expenses each month and make it a priority to manage your spending. Ensuring that groceries and mortgage payments are at the top of your list is crucial. Everything else, including savings, is a matter of personal preference. Indulging in frequent outings with friends, opting for Uber rides instead of driving, and splurging on name-brand products may seem insignificant, but these choices can accumulate over time and hinder your aspirations of achieving financial success. 4. Don't worry about what your neighbors are doing. If your aim is to amass a fortune in order to make an impression on those around you, you are faced with a challenging choice. Many individuals strive to showcase their status and gain admiration from others through various means. This can include acquiring the swiftest automobile, the grandest watercraft, the most cutting-edge technological device, or sharing images of extravagant family trips on social platforms. Regrettably, the very things that may impress your neighbors can also have a detrimental effect on your financial well-being. Living well below your means is crucial for aggressive long-term saving and investing. It's exciting to think about the possibility of having a substantial amount of money to enjoy during your retirement. With careful planning and smart financial decisions, you could have $1 million or more at your disposal. 5. Steer clear of debt at all costs. Debt interest can really drain your savings, no matter what type of debt it is: credit card, auto loans, student debt, mortgage, or any other form of credit. It's like having a hole in your savings bucket. Every month, a portion of your earnings slowly slips away as interest accumulates. It's frustrating how interest payments yield no returns, leaving you with nothing to show for the money you've lost. Eliminating all debt, beginning with the debts that carry the highest interest rates, is a crucial initial step on the path to achieving financial prosperity. 6. Maintain a strong sense of discipline. Building wealth takes time and patience. Achieving your goals requires consistent effort and dedication, day after day, week after week, for many years. When faced with challenging times or unexpected personal expenses, it's tempting to justify skipping a monthly contribution. However, if you fail to stay disciplined, what was initially just a week or a month can easily stretch into 1 or 2 years. Having a well-crafted financial plan greatly increases your chances of reaching the $1 million milestone. However, it's important to remember that the success of the plan ultimately depends on the individual's commitment and discipline. 7. Take a moment to assess your current situation. Staying disciplined requires constant vigilance in monitoring your progress and ensuring you stay on track. It's important to recognize that unexpected life events can have a significant impact on your long-term financial plan, even if they only disrupt it for a short period of time. By adjusting the 35-year, $500 per month example and excluding 1 year from the calculation, the total decreases from $1.03 million to approximately $950,000. Skipping a month here and there can easily accumulate to a wasted year or two in the long run. Regularly monitoring your progress is crucial. 8. Stay optimistic. Maintaining a positive mindset and having confidence in your financial goals is crucial for achieving millionaire status. Some individuals struggle to envision themselves as millionaires or doubt their ability to achieve such wealth. For countless individuals, achieving their financial goals hinges solely on their own actions and their capacity to implement a comprehensive, sustainable financial strategy. 9. Seek assistance from a professional. Creating a solid financial plan and making smart investment decisions can feel daunting for those who are new to the game. However, there's absolutely no shame in reaching out to experts for guidance. It's always a good idea to have a financial advisor review your plan, even if you're confident in your own millionaire-making strategy. Certainly, hiring professional money managers can be quite costly. Instead of relying on an expensive active money manager, it's wise to take charge of your financial plan and handle most of it on your own. Of course, it's always a good idea to seek advice from a professional before making any major decisions. 10. No need to worry. Regardless of your level of involvement in the stock market, nearly every long-term financial plan recommended by a financial advisor will include some level of exposure to stocks. During periods of economic downturn, the stock market can be quite intimidating. Throughout history, individuals who have succumbed to fear and sold their investments during periods of economic decline have often faced negative consequences in the future. During the financial crisis in 2008, there was widespread panic as the S&P 500 experienced a significant decline, losing approximately half of its value. In just under 10 years, the S&P 500 has experienced a significant increase, surpassing its peak in 2007 by over 76%. That's all for today. Now you know all the best tricks that will make you rich in just 5 years. These tips have made many people rich. All of my friends are using these tips. Press the subscribe button below if you are interested in knowing more amazing financial tips and secrets. We thought of this video long back, but as it was not tested at that time, we had to delay it. These tips are totally tried and tested now. Sir Warren Buffett has many times suggested these tips and tricks. He always advises people to invest their wealth to grow it. It's true. Millionaires like Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Charlie Munger also follow these tips. This video took a lot of research. If you got to know something new from this video, then just do press the like button. This motivates us to make more amazing financial videos. Share this video with as many friends as you can. Add a comment below if you are having any queries or suggestions. Thanks for watching this video till here.